Aloe vera is regarded as a wonder plant in medicine due to its high concentration of vitamins and minerals, which make it an excellent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Despite its benefits, aloe vera has some side effects that you should be aware of if you want to use it. Here are some side effects of using aloe vera juice. Aloe vera could result in a decrease in blood sugar levels, especially if you're diabetic or have another issue that requires insulin. Regular consumption of aloe vera juice can cause electrolyte imbalance in your body, which may lead to dehydration. May cause diarrhea. Since aloe vera juice has laxative properties, it might cause gastrointestinal problems and raise your chances of developing irritable bowel syndrome. Aloe vera is known to trigger potassium imbalances in the body, which can lead to headache.